An all-female cultural celebration of prosperity in Yoruba societies. In each Yoruba town, Gelede is generally associated with a deified founding foremother, either an earth or water deity, and a deified forefather. Individual Gelede families sacrifice to their own lineage gods. The fundamental purpose of Gelede festival is to pay tribute to and therefore to derive benefits from female mystical power. The gods of Gelede are known as the great ancestral mothers among the Yorubas. The power of the great mother is manifold. The ancestors, when they had a problem, would assemble to determine the cause and the remedy. And if it is found that Gelede should be done to bring about rain or the birth of children, it should be done, and it will be so. The Great Mother has power in many things. She is the owner of everything in the world. She owns you. A group of Gelede family members conducting a private prayer and sacrifice. Outdoor settings. Festival celebration procession involving members of Gelede societies and non-member audiences dancing to drum beats and merrymaking. Then, the oriki of a specific Gelede masquerade is sung, while the masquerade appears, dances, and then leaves the performance scene. The masquerade is an individual with the Gelede mask. An all-male cultural celebration of death amongst the Ekoi-speaking peoples. Anyong, Boki, Ejagem, Kiaka, and Yaku. Ekoi mask is a skin-covered mask, and each mask is owned and used for special association in Cross River area, southeast Nigeria, and over to Cameroon. Several ethnicities are found, and among them is the Ejagem. One of the oldest cross-river secret societies was the all-male Ngbe society of the Ejagam people. In their language, Ngbe means leopard. The cult of the leopard had a unifying effect on the scattered communities of the cross river. Commercial ritual and social exchanges took place because of it. The Ekoi-speaking peoples, Anyang, Boki, Ejagam, Kiaka, and Yaku, are best known for their large skin-covered masks. Earlier, skins of slaves were used, but later, skins of antelopes were used. This head mask is used in performances by accomplished dancers at funerals, initiations of new members, agricultural and other events. Two types of masks dominated: helmet masks and crest masks. The skin covering of a mask served as a magical agent to invoke ancestral spirits in communal rituals. Two skilled dancers with skinhead masks and jingles around their ankles, performing in the funeral of a member of the secret society, while other members played on the drums. The head masks were worn with a gown which extended from the top of the head to the ankles. The dance is used to invoke ancestral spirits during the passage of death ritual.